This video is the standard operating procedure and deployment guide for the Desktop System Information Overlay, which is a wallpaper-based solution. The overlay uses a zero-interference design paradigm. It dynamically generates a wallpaper image, embedding key system information. Because it exists only at the wallpaper layer, it is strictly desktop-bound and does not interfere with primary operational software. The overlay dynamically updates values based on a 60-second background refresh interval. It displays identity, network information, time, telemetry, system details, and security information, such as the last installed Windows patch. An operational risk and compliance assessment was conducted. Risk levels for CNC operation, HMI stability, and performance are minimal due to the wallpaper-only design and ultra-low CPU usage. The solution is fully approved for industrial HMI usage. The deployment scope includes standalone HMIs, CNC HMIs, industrial laptops, and local or domain-joined systems. Exclusions are kiosk systems with enforced wallpaper locking GPOs and systems restricted by corporate security policy. Ensure all pre-flight checks are met before deployment. Phase A, execution, covers installation and validation, following a sequential workflow. This includes validating the base image, provisioning the directory, deploying the script, and executing manual validation. For folder provisioning, create the directory once as administrator using the specified new item command. Then, deploy the script payload by copying the source script into the newly created directory, maintaining the strict naming convention. The manual validation checkpoint is mandatory. Log in as the target user and execute the command shown. Then, verify the overlay appears correctly, time and uptime are accurate, and the diagnostic log is generated successfully. Phase B focuses on persistence and automation. The objective is to ensure metrics update dynamically without manual user intervention. The script self-regulates a 60-second refresh interval once triggered at system logon via task scheduler. The task scheduler configuration is production locked. Ensure the task runs only when the user is logged on and is hidden. The task triggers at log on and the action utilizes PowerShell with arguments to enable looping and a 60-second refresh rate. To validate auto update, fully log off the target user session, then log back in to trigger the new task. Observe the desktop background for 1 full minute without interacting to confirm dynamic time changes within the 60-second window. The expected operational footprint shows negligible CPU and memory usage. The refresh cadence regenerates the wallpaper silently every 60 seconds, with zero interference with Sinumerik Operate PC or foreground applications. Phase C covers the clean rollback procedure. First, disable and delete the task using the tasks commands. Second, restore the default wallpaper using the registry and rundle32 commands. Finally, the removal of the desktop overlay folder is optional. The rapid diagnostic and troubleshooting matrix helps address common issues. For a missing overlay, verify scheduled task execution and review the log file. For frozen time, verify the loop capability is enabled in the action arguments. Other fixes are also provided. This Master Operations Quick Reference summarizes critical paths and vital commands for quick access. This includes paths for the script, base image, and log file, as well as commands for manual execution, task scheduler arguments, and task removal. Thanks for watching, and I hope it helps you work faster and smarter.